on this video I'll show you how to use a cross-site script attack to exploit a browser that allows user input. So I'll be showing you how to inject a script to this browser and how you can exploit the browser. Now stay to the end of this video because I'll be showing you how to use an exploitation framework also to perform a man-in-the-middle attack, phishing attack, Facebook attack, and all the kind of attack you know. So just stay tuned till the end. Don't forget to watch, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, don't forget to come back for more tutorials like this. Thank you guys. For your practice, this video is strictly for educational purpose. I repeat, this video is strictly for educational purpose. So we'll start our XSS attack. So let's look for a vulnerable page. What we can do, let's start with this. So what hackers usually do is not this. They'll go into your let's use my network is somehow slow. So they'll go in when they see a website that allows user input. So that website, if it did not filter properly user input, hackers or cyber experts can exploit it for their own malicious purpose. So if we click on this cross-site scripting, then there is reflected and there is stored. Now let's start with this reflected attack. The situation where they'll send you a link for you to click, a malicious link for you to click, and you see something like you have been hacked, or tell you your website has been hacked or your account has been hacked. That is reflected. In a situation where you go to a website and you see without the link, you just visit the website and you see that the website has been hacked or there's some malicious content in it, as a stored XSS attack. So this will be running it. In case you see a user input like this, most of the website have user input for customer feedback. So if you click on it, let's say put an email address. Let me put my email address and tech@gmail.com. So comments, welcome you all to my channel. So let's test it. We'll save our comment. As you can see, comments was hijacked successfully. Now this is a vulnerability. This exactly is a vulnerability. So a hacker can easily insert a malicious script, a simple malicious script in it. Let me show you how it's been done. A very simple malicious script can be inserted. Let's say, for instance, let's say alert, just see, you have been hacked. A situation where the user input is not filtered properly, this may occur. Let me close. This is just a simple script. So let's submit it. Here we go. You have been hacked. If you copy this link here, and maybe paste it on copy, let's open another page, and you paste it here and you run it. You see, this is a stored attack. Anybody that visits this website, it will show the person that you have been hacked. Okay, so that's the vulnerable aspect of of a website that allow user input. This can be very dangerous. This can bring down your website. So let's go and restore our page. Now there's other thing I want to show you in this video. So I've downloaded a browser script that can manipulate let's go back to our terminal. So let's go back to this script. We'll be able to manipulate a web page. So cd beef. Now for you to be able to run this step by step with me, you go to, let me show you how you do it. You GitHub beef. Once you GitHub it, why is it not doing? Let's try it again. GitHub beef. Okay, let me try my normal browser. This is used for browser exploitation. So wait, when my browser load, I'll show you how to do it. But before then, let's go and run our code on how to exploit. So you just execute it. Execute it. 1990 somehow slow. Execute it. So once it's open, we'll exploit a particular browser, a particular website. Thank you for following me to the end. So now the next thing you do is to click on the link on the next video after this video. That will show you how to use your beef or your browser exploitation framework to do all the other kind of attack, like Facebook attack, phishing attack, man in the middle attack, DOS attack, DDoS attack, and the rest. So just follow the next video after this video for that, and there will be other videos that will teach you how to install and make the beef or the browser exploitation framework be compatible to your Linux machine. Thank you.